Hello viewers, Big Bachat Dhamal sale is running on Flipkart.com. There are offers on many tablets. A lot of users want to know about the best price of each and every tablet. There is some good offer, but some of the deals are not very good actually. The price of those tablets are on the higher side, so you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you can buy those tablets at their best prices. For example, if you want to buy MI Pad 6, in that case the price seems to be very good. For the 128GB version, you can buy this MI Pad 6 at around 17,099 rupees with discounts of 900 rupees with Axis Bank credit card. After that, I checked the prices of all the tablets, but I did not find any special deal during this Bachat sale. So you should skip this sale and wait for another sale. And if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case the price is very high. For the 64GB version you have to pay around 34,000 rupees. That is not a good pricing for this iPad 10th generation. Next, if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the price of this tablet also is on the higher side. It is showing around 40,000 rupees, and after discount you will get this device at around 39,000 rupees. So I would not recommend you to buy this tablet right now. If you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, in that case the 256GB version is available at a price point of 18,249 rupees, and I think this is a great pricing for the 256GB version. So you can definitely buy Poco Pad 5G if you want to buy this 256GB version. Similarly, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case the pricing is showing 41,499 rupees, and you will get 5,000 rupees discount with HDFC credit card. So the effective price will be around 36,499 rupees, but I don't think this is a good pricing. Some users are asking me about the price of Apple iPad 9th generation, but the price of iPad 9th generation is 30,400 rupees, and I don't think you should buy this right now. You should wait if you want to buy this under 20,000 rupees. And if you want to buy Realme Pad 2, in that case the best price of this tablet is 12,300 rupees. So you can definitely buy this if you are looking for a tablet under 15,000 rupees with 4G connectivity. If you are looking for buying Redmi Pad SE, in that case I would suggest you to go for the 128GB version. That will cost around 11,000 rupees, and after discount you will get that device at around 10,500 rupees if you have Axis Bank credit card. So finally, in the conclusion, I think you should wait for another big sale when you will get huge discounts on tablets. But right now the offers on tablets are not so good, so you should better wait for another sale when you will get discounts on your favorite tablets, and I will let you know about the best deals. So do subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.